Guys, my name is Saif Ali and subscribe my channel first. Today our topic is personalities. There are two types of personalities. Number one is introvert. Introvert people are little shy. Number two is extrovert. They are little confident. Here is a comparison between extroverts and introverts. Extroverts are people who love to talk, who have leadership qualities. These people have also passion to travel. Extroverts go to parties, they even enjoy public gatherings. On the other hand, there are introverts, less confident, no leadership qualities, who have no passion to go outside and stay at home, and they do not even enjoy public gatherings. So, who are you? Are you extrovert or introvert? These are the myths we have talked about. Let's go beyond the world of myths and open the door of facts. Adam Grant, an American psychologist, a famous psychologist, met more than 400, almost 500 leaders, including Google and military leaders. Adam says in his research that he met a highly introverted wing commander of American Army, who was very shy but had achieved a lot of medals and was a successful leader. Findings of Grant were very astonishing. He found that extroverts enhance the group performance when the employees are passive, but introverted leaders are more effective with proactive employees. For example, a policeman is a proactive employee who need an introverted leader, as well as doctor. Although his findings are opposite the myths we have talked about and our society. Quite a book says that introverts are unique because they work alone. Instead of working in a group, introverted people prefer to work alone. This is because few of us claim that introverts are antisocial, but they are not. Few of us take an introverted person as an egoistic person, but we should first understand a person's personality. There is a logical reason of person behind any behavior in psychology. This is why all people say do not judge a book by its cover. The billionaire habit. Introverts perform, that is working alone. Most of the billionaires work alone and earn money. Working alone not only affects the ability of introverted people but also extroverts. Here we tell you an advice of Steve Wozniak. Steve Wozniak says he was young, he loved to read electronic magazines. He said he was a highly introverted person. The Apple co-founder revealed that he used to work alone. He also observed that working alone is better than working in a group. He said working in group can suppress an individual's good qualities, but working alone polish an individual's good qualities. He claimed that you use your 100% brain when you are working alone because we focus 100% on our target, give full attention and use whole of memory. Working alone enhance your personal skills. It is research in University of California says that mostly creative people are introverts. They are shy, like to work alone, or do not bother other people to have long discussions with them. You can even search that mostly billionaires are introverts, like Gates, Bezos, or Elon Musk. They even say that I was alone, everyone left me. You can even find them, they are working alone in their pictures. A Swedish psychologist says in his research that elite musicians practice 3.5 hours alone. He also wrote about worst musicians practice 9.3 hours with a group. There is a big difference between 3.5 hours and 9.3 hours. Now, look the group work and working alone and decide what would you like to do in future to enhance your personal skills. Next part will cover all the topic. Next video is the second part of this video. This is by Saif Ali. Must subscribe our channel, like our video, and tell us what is your experience regarding personality and what would you like to be, extrovert or introvert, in comment section.